Hello everyone, it's me Lauren with the LH Way. It's been a while. I have a new camera now and I'm just gonna have to learn how to edit and that sort of thing. But what I'm gonna do today is I have two roses that I want to plant, and I have a third that I want to plant into a pot. So I went shopping and I went and got one Austin David Austin rose, and the name of this one is called Lady of Shalott. That's the one I grabbed, and I grabbed it from Lowe's, and it was 25 bucks. Give you that nice peachy look. And I'm in South Florida, and hopefully it will do well in my zone. It says up to zone 5 through 10. And when I went on the website though, it was saying 5 through 11, so even better. So hopefully this rose will produce into this zone. I already have it out into the garden to be planted, so I'll show you in a few minutes. And I went and picked up this rose here. This called Angel Face Rose, and it has like a slight purple look to it. And I bought this for just about $11. That one I'll be planting out into my little rose bed. And I also picked this one up from Walmart. I have no clue what the name of it is. I paid like about 13 bucks for it, and I will show you in a second what it looks like. And I picked this also up from Lowe's. This one is called Heirloom Rose. It says something about it's also a hybrid tea. So hopefully it will do fine, because right now I have a hybrid tea I need to it's not performing. I don't think from ever since I planted it gave me any rose. So there's sometime in those home improvement stores, those big box stores, you'll have products that or plants that are not worthy of certain zones. I don't know why they sell them in the stores if they know into that location you cannot plant it. So I think that's the situation that I'm having right now with that hybrid tea rose. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back into the pot. It's just about a year since I have it, and I have a receipt for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up and put it back into the pot and take it back to the store, because I went ahead and invest into a different rose. So hopefully I will see some kind of show with that, because once you spend your money, you're open to see something from your hard-earned money. So all right guys, let me go ahead and show you what I have. Turn it around here. Alright, so this one is this lavender kind lavender rose that I have. It had one spent bloom on it and it kind of fell off. It was looking a little bit depressed, and it has like a light lavender look to it. So this is this rose here. So this one is the angel face. That's the one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and plant it out into my rose bed. This one here is my cat right here. Hey Misty, I just fed you. What you want? Huh? You good? You just want to rub up on me, guys. And this one is the this one here, guys. It's a dual rose. It's supposed to be burgundy iceberg and pink iceberg mixed in together, and it's formed into a rose tree. So as you can see, it has a stem, a long single stem going up there, and then you have this section here, and it has quite a few blooms on it. As you can see, I'm about to get some flowers. So those look like the burgundy kind, and here is one over here, and those definitely the pink kind. There's a lot of blooms coming up on this, so I can't wait to see this in like full bloom. I'm excited about this one. So this is the one I'm going to be planting into a pot of that size. I have 3 of those, and I have some old plants into some of them over there. My mom, she went ahead and planted okras into one, and the other one, it had another plant in it. I'm just gonna take it out and put it in here. Or maybe I might just go ahead and, because I need to take some plants out of this one, and maybe I might leave the potato vine as a spiller, and this one here I'm gonna replant. I don't know what this is. This is my mom's plant. She wanted me to plant it into a different pot, and there's some other stuff I need to get out of here. So I think I might use this pot and go ahead and put it that rose into it. I went to Lowe's also and pick up some potting soil. So yeah, I'll definitely show you how I'm going to do that, guys. And let's take a walk out by my rose garden. And this is the little section I have here of the rose garden. Well, let me go ahead and get that label for that David Austin. I was so excited when I saw this, guys, but I was kind of shocked when I saw the price, because I had no idea David Austin roses cost that amount of money. Because normally, you know, I'm a bargain shopper, so I really love the look of the rose, so I went ahead and splurged on it. So this one here, as you can see, this one here is the David Austin rose right here. And this one also had a few blooms on it. This one is getting old, but it should look like so. So hopefully when it gets established and I feed it and stuff, it gives me this look. This is what I'm looking for. And there is a bird in the tree here. Let me show you the bird right there. And she is pretty pissed off with my cat. I don't know, I think my mom was telling me that my cat, which my cat is right now, she's by my foot right here, rubbing up on my foot. Look at her. Hey, Mitzi. Yeah, I think you have like two of them out here in the trees, and they're pretty pissed off with my cat because I think my cat either caught the parent or the friend or the mate or something. But my cat caught one of them because they torment my cat, and I guess one day she just leaped up and caught one, and yeah, it was the end of that bird story. And this one every day, even way down into the evening, almost sunset, this bird will come and torment the cat, and I keep chasing the bird away because my cat is pretty smart. She just want to see you close enough, and then she go ahead and attack, you know. So, but yeah, it's a everyday thing, guys, with this bird and my cat. It's an everyday thing. They torment my cat. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plant the rose. Oh guys, let me show you what's going on in this bed right now. So this is the one I will be replacing. It hasn't done anything. This one is the hybrid tea, is like a bright pink color. And this one is my knockout rose. This one is doing very well. As you can see, I'm getting new growth. And I have some blooms here too. There you go guys, my knockout rose. Some new growth, and I also see some new buds coming up. Got one down there. There's some more here guys. And I also planted some gladiolus in between. This one is another knockout. Gladiolus, knockout, gladiolus. Then I have another hybrid tea here. I'm gonna eventually move this one also guys, because I also went on the David Austin's website, and I ordered 4 additional color choices of rose. When I get those roses, I'll go ahead and try and do a show and tell. And here I went to a Caribbean ladies nursery, and I got a $6 rose, and this is the color that it's giving me. So far it only has that one bloom on there, because it was a pretty tiny rose with these big buds, and it was weighing down the rose, so I had to use these stakes to try and tie it up and keep it up. And there I have a full sun bromeliad, and she's also blooming. And this rose here, I picked it up from that same nursery. I got it for $6. It's a rose also, but I have no idea what color it is. So it's growing, it's putting out some new shoots and stuff like that. So hopefully I'll see what color it is in the future. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rip this rose up. I'm gonna dig this one up guys. So I have my this is the one that I'm going to be replanting. So keep on watching guys if you like the content. Thank you. Leave my cat. She's gonna catch you. Leave her alone. Leave my cat alone. She's not messing with you unless you mess with her. I have a bucket here just to put the extra soil in. And just like that, guys, because it's been in the ground for like a year or just about a year, so that was pretty easy to come up. I'm gonna go ahead and fit it into this bin here, and hold on, I need to get this root down into it some more. And that's it, guys. That one is bye-bye to that one. And now for the David Austin. I'm pretty excited, guys. This is gonna be pretty easy and straightforward because that rose didn't even made any roots really, but it was alive. I took care of it and I fed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get me some I got some cow manure, cow compost. I'm gonna just go ahead and fill that in. Okay, guys, I know the rose that I have is not knockout, but I'm assuming that I can use it for the new plant. So I have some, it says knockout rose granules. So I'll be putting some of that in the new rose. I have some plant tone here. And I also have some fast start. So I'll be going ahead and really giving this new rose a good start because I really want to see it perform. And all of these fertilizer I'm using They are organic fertilizers, and I was lucky to find these on clearance at like Walmart. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some of that in there. I'm gonna bring you a bit closer so you can see what I have here. Okay guys, so this is what I'm doing here. You're up close and personal now to what I'm doing. So I just sprinkled some Fast Start in there, and I'm going to put a little bit of the Plant-Tone in here also, and the Knockout I'll probably put it on top to feed it. So I'm just gonna move that around a little bit. I'm gonna give it a little bit more Fast Start. It's very windy today, guys. I'm sorry. It's super windy and it knocked my camera over. And now it's starting to rain. Why? Why are you doing this to me, rain? Not now. Okay. Alright, I guess I need to hurry. I can feel the just so ever slightly raindrops on my skin. So I have to be very careful with this Rose, because she has bitten me a couple times. Okay, try and get this out the pot. Alright guys, so this is what I have here. It's kind of weird how they have the root balls going that way. Should be going down. I don't know why it's set that way. Like the root balls was a bit too big for the pot, and they just kind of jacked it up, it looks like. So I'm trying to straighten it out, guys. Oh my gosh, it's raining, guys. I'm gonna try and hurry and do this, guys. So I'm gonna put a little bit more Fast Start here and some little more Plant-Tone. And this is organic stuff, guys. It shouldn't burn the roots or anything like that. I'm just trying to give this plant the best chance to really get in there and get established. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to really crank it up now, because here comes the rain. Cow composter. Ooh. Okay guys, so I'll wait until this rain is done and I'll show you the rest of it, guys. It's coming down. I have to get out of here with the camera. Keep on watching.